YouTube, and welcome to Katrinka LOL. And today is another unboxing. I won something at another channel called Tennessee Tactical One, and so we're going to take a look and see what I got. All right, so let's tear into it and find out. So what I got was a 31 serving Augustin Farms dehydrated potato shreds. And I'm so looking forward to trying this. I've never tried it, and I like hash browns, so maybe I'll try doing a demonstration of the hash browns and also doing a review of the Augustin Farms, which I haven't done before either. So thank you, Tennessee Tactical One, and we'll see you in the next video.